Hi everyone, let's make the cutest little forget-me-not flowers. These feature in the Spring Landscapes crochet picture set, which you are seeing one scene of here. It features 3 different scenes in different background colours and stitches, and there are 14 mix and match motifs that go with it that you can then sew onto the different scenes and create your own unique landscapes. To make these flowers and all of the Spring Landscapes crochet picture set, I use Scheepjes Catona, which is 100% cotton, and it's a 4-ply or sport weight yarn, and you'll also need a 3mm crochet hook. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to start with the yellow, and I'm going to be working in US crochet terms. Okay, so let us begin now. We make a slip knot on, no, not a slip knot, we make a magic ring on our hook. Okay, so make a loop like this. Oops. Make a loop like this with your yarn. Then insert your hook into the loop, grab the yarn behind and pull it through. And I'm just wrapping the yarn around my finger to secure it. And then I'm going to chain 1, okay, and that just holds the loop in place. And we are going to make 5 single crochets into the ring. I've got a bit of fluff out the way. So put your hook into the ring, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And I've got my finger in the loop just to secure it so that it holds it tight, okay, whilst you make your single crochets. So when you've done 5, you can stop there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pull that tail end tight to secure it. And you can weave that in at that point or later on as you prefer. And then we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Now this is always rather tricky, so I just use my nail to grab it like so, okay? And pull that through. I've split the yarn there, haven't I? I was too busy concentrating on the video. Right, there you go, like so. Okay, and we can fasten that off now. There we go. So that is the centre of our forget-me-not flower, and we're going to change onto our blue yarn now. This is called Bluebird if you want to match the same yarn, and the yellow it was Lemonade. Okay, we're going to join the blue yarn into any stitch. I don't like to go into the one with the slip stitch because I find that a bit trickier, but if you prefer that you can. So pop your hook through the stitch and lay your yarn over the hook and pull that through. Okay, and we're just going to chain 2, and then we're going to work into the same stitch with a double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch still into the same stitch, okay? And that is our first petal made. Then we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. And then we're going to repeat that. So chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch, all in the same stitch. Move to the next stitch, slip stitch, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch. Now this flower would look super cute on a card, Mother's Day card or a birthday card. Make a few of them. would look really cute on a wreath or make a garland. Now just watch out for that slip stitch, okay, that you don't go into there. So we're repeating that into each stitch around, and you'll end up with 5 petals at the end. But if you go into the slip stitch, you'll end up with 6, which I guess is okay too. Okay, so just pull that slip stitch tight at that point and make sure you skip over it and slip stitch into the next proper stitch. Okay, and then we just complete our last petal. And slip stitch into there, and then slip stitch into the first stitch again to join that and fasten that off. Okay, and then you can cut your yarn and weave in all of your ends, and then you have created the cutest little forget-me-not. Isn't that sweet? I absolutely love it. So I'd love for you to join the Spring Landscapes crochet picture set, but if you prefer to just make your own forget-me-not, then do come and share. It's Concrete Gems Crochet. All the details for the pattern and everything are in the description below, so go grab those. And I hope to see you again soon for another crochet tutorial with me, Gemma. Bye for now.